guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide I will show you how to fix the syncing CD2 gamepad or controller not working problem. So the very first method you have to do is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon. After that, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now launch the game and check if controller is working or not. If not, next method is to update controller drivers. For that, you have to first connect your PC and controller. After that, you have to go to the search option, search for device manager. Now here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, you have to restart your PC and then check whether controller is working. If not, next is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on controller and here select enable Steam input and then check if controller is working now. If this doesn't work, come back again, select disable Steam input and then check if controller is working. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select use default settings and move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. After that, launch the game and check if controller is working. Next is to press Alt plus Enter keys. So many experts suggest to press Alt plus Enter keys as this is one of the best trick to resolve such kind of unexpected issue. Next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option, search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates and it will check if any update is available. And after updating your Windows to the latest version, launch the game and check if controller is working. Next is to clear cache on Steam. So for that, you have to go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on downloads, go below, click on clear cache. This will clear a local download cache and restart Steam. So you have to confirm it. After that, log into Steam once again and then check if controller is working. If using wired plug for a controller, then unplug and replug it. After that, launch the game and check. Use big picture mode for the syncing CD2. So go to Steam, select your game. In the above section, you can see enter big picture mode. Click on it. After entering big picture mode, you have to play the game and again exit big picture mode. And after that, check if gamepad or controller is working or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.